Check out this video this brand is scaling with.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, hela klubben brinner.
We will recreate this video using one Claude skill. First thing we're gonna do is to tell Claude to install this skill with this GitHub link. This link will be available in our school community. So if you haven't joined, the link will be down in the description or in the comment section. So let's do it. So once your Claude has learned the skill, you go to code, and then here you just type /watch, and then you upload the video. So now I have added the video here. I just drag and drop. Let's go. So what this will do is Claude will create a prompt for how this video is exactly structured. And then we're going to take the prompt and add it in Higgsfield. We are going to use Higgsfield Canvas, but before we just need the prompt to make sure it's not over 2,500 characters. You can just ask Claude, is this prompt more than 2,500 characters? It says no, it's well under 2,500. So go ahead and copy this. So here we have it. And now let's go to Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, we go to video in the menu and then canvas. And here you just press create canvas, press the plus sign and then upload. First thing you're gonna do is to upload the UGC video Higgsfield is going to take inspiration from. And here we go. Next thing you're gonna do is to click on the plus sign again and then go to video generator. And here you paste the prompt you just got from Claude. Let's do it. Don't forget to add this node to the video generation, okay? So you just drag and drop. So once you have pasted the prompt, you just go to settings and change the aspect ratio to 916 here. I will be using 720p because it's cheaper and it's not a big difference with 1080. So let's do it. So this UGC video is 15 seconds long. So we're gonna make the prompt 15 seconds long as well. Let's say if the video was 30 seconds long, you just cut the video in half and prompt twice in Claude. So once for the first half and second for the second half. We are not going to generate any audio for this video because I will add my own song. And for this video, we will be promoting this dress here. So I will go ahead and download this image to use it as reference. And then we just add that image. So I have now added the reference image and let's generate. So now we have the video ready. I will show you the final result. If you have not joined my school community, the link is down below. And all these prompts will be available in my school community. For the sake of this video, I will also generate a 1080p video so that we can compare the difference with 720 and 1080.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, hela klubben brinner. Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, hela klubben brinner.
Okay, so my final conclusion is that, of course, the 1080p wins with the quality and texture, but I would say that the 720p video was more fun to watch because it has a different vibe and energy into it. Both of them could be used as UGC posts, but I would say in this example, we did not get the product right. If you look at the dress, we wanted to promote this dress, and in the video, even though we added the reference image, we did not get this dress on these girls. So I will now generate a video with the node added with 720p. Let's see what we get.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, hela klubben brinner.
And now let's try again with 1080p.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, hela hela klubben brinner.
Okay, so as you can see, the node is very important. Don't forget to add it. And as we can see as well, that 1080p is the clear winner here. And I also want to add that the dress is correct with the 1080p, as we see in the website. The 1080p is the best choice if you have a lot of details you want the video to follow and have. So with the node and 1080p is the winner. If you don't have the node, the video will be not so related to the original video, so make sure you have the nodes connected. And as an extra, I will also change the influencer and add our own AI generated influencer and see what happens. Use the influencer in red dress. And now I have changed the influencer for the 1080p video, and let's watch.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, flow, hela klubben brinner.
And now we can just upload the video you just saw and then create another node as video generation, add the dress, and then just say make her wear this flower dress and then generate. Let's see what we get.
Ingen annan kan det mäta. Volcano, volcano, bubblande energi. Känner du marken skakar under mig? Volcano, volcano, du är explosiv. Ingen annan ger mig denna kick. Volcano, flow, flow, hela klubben brinner.
And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something and see you in the next one.